Manga Translate AI is one of the latest AI tools that just dropped, and it promises to change the way we experience manga translations forever. In this review, we're going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Manga Translate AI, and by the end, you'll understand if this is the game-changing software you've been waiting for. Stick with me, because I've got some really valuable insights coming your way. So, first up, what exactly is Manga Translate AI? It's an AI-powered translation tool designed specifically for manga fans. Whether you're a die-hard manga reader or just starting out, this software allows you to translate Japanese manga into your language with ease. It's much more than just a basic translation tool. It's built to capture the nuances, humor, and emotional context of manga, which makes it stand out from other general translation tools. Now let's dive into the first big feature: accuracy. Manga translations are notoriously tricky. It's not just about translating words, it's about translating culture, jokes, and idioms that might not exist in another language. Manga Translate AI uses deep learning and natural language processing specifically tailored for manga, which means the translations feel more natural, accurate, and relevant. It's the first AI tool I've seen that really tries to preserve the manga experience in translation. Second, ease of use. One of the best things about Manga Translate AI is how simple it is to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Just upload your manga images, and the AI takes care of the rest. It automatically detects the text and converts it into your chosen language. There's no complicated setup or learning curve, so even beginners can jump in and start translating right away. The third point I want to highlight is speed. Manga Translate AI works incredibly fast, and that's something that's crucial for manga readers who don't want to wait forever to get access to the translated content. Whether you're translating a full chapter or just a few pages, the AI delivers in no time. This is a huge plus for those who want to stay up to date with the latest manga releases in their preferred language. Another big thing to know is that Manga Translate AI is constantly improving. One of the standout features of the software is its ability to learn and adapt over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at translating and understanding specific styles or unique phrases within manga. It's a tool that gets smarter the more you engage with it, which means the results will only get better with time. Next up, let's talk about customization. While Manga Translate AI is great for general translations, it also gives you the option to customize your translations for certain terms or phrases. If you're someone who prefers certain words or names to be translated a certain way, you can easily tweak things to fit your preferences. This level of customization is something I really appreciate, especially for manga fans who want their translations to feel personal. Now, let's address the Yompi pricing. A lot of translation software can get pricey, but Manga Translate AI offers a very accessible plan, with a free option to try out all the features before you commit. You can literally test everything out before paying a dime, which is a huge plus for those just curious about how well it works. Finally, I want to mention that this software is beginner-friendly, which is great news for those who are new to using AI tools. You don't need any technical expertise to get going, and you don't need to worry about complicated features you won't use. It's a straightforward tool for manga fans that delivers exactly what it promises. To sum it all up, Manga Translate AI is a tool designed to help manga fans get the most accurate and immersive translations in the easiest way possible. If you're looking to dive into manga in a new language or just want to see your favorite series translated more effectively, this is definitely worth checking out. And remember, you can try it out completely free from the first link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've got my recommended software in the description, tools that have truly stood out in terms of performance and ease of use. Check them out and see which ones are the best fit for your needs.